The biggest upgrade to the value flagship phone of the year from Google, which is the Pixel 8/Pixel 8 Pro, is all confirmed. Google is planning to tease the upcoming Pixel 8 and 8 Pro officially at the I/O event, which is going to take place on May the 10th. Just like last year, we're gonna see the glimpse of the next big thing from Google. The recent official reveal of the Pixel 7a has confirmed Google's ultimate plan, which is to bring new camera hardware to all of its main Pixel devices. From Pixel 7a all the way to the Pixel 8 Pro, we're going to see new main camera sensors. Yes, the Pixel 8 series is indeed getting the largest camera upgrade we have ever seen on any Pixel phone. In fact, this is the largest camera sensor that Samsung has ever made, the ISOCELL GN2, the beast that we saw on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. It's still a very capable sensor that can hold up very well when you compare it to the latest 2023 sensors. Combined with the latest hardware, Google can absolutely take this sensor to the next level. The ISOCELL GN2 will unlock Staggered Hdr, 4K 120fps, and even supports 8K 30fps video, along with the ability to take 50 megapixel as well as 100 megapixel still photos. The sky is the limit. Google is going to surprise everyone. Now, along with the largest camera sensor from Samsung, we're going to see Samsung's best ever CPU that they never released for their own phones. Of course, I'm talking about the Exynos 2300, aka the Tensor G3 for the Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro. The recent leaked kernel information has confirmed the existence of the Exynos 2300 along with the Samsung Eclipse 930 GPU. Yes, we might actually see AMD graphics on the Pixel 8 series. This is the perfect opportunity for Samsung to show off how much they have improved with their Exynos 2300 compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Other than this, Pixel 8 series will of course bring the Android 14 right out of the box. Google will unveil more details at the I/O event. One of the most important things about the Android 14 is that it's going to enable satellite connectivity, making the Pixel 8 series one of the first phones to have this feature, hopefully ready in time at the launch. Along with the Pixel 8 series, we have the Pixel 7a, Pixel Fold, as well as the Pixel Watch 2nd generation coming as well. It is just an absolute Pixel season upon us. Let me know what you think about the value flagships coming our way. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.